Sup guys, it's Taylor. Welcome guys to my channel and welcome to a Random Wednesday. That's right, it's Wednesday and it's a Random Wednesday because it's random, you know what I mean? So basically what we're gonna do today for Random Wednesday is we're going to review all of our LPS, which includes all our dog breeds that I showed you in my first video. But I think I'm going to skip those, but I'm going to show the rest of my LPS. And some are included in the LPS series. And I'm going to show you those. Wait. I'm going to show you those, but I'm not going to say if they're going to be in the series or not. Okay? So I'm not going to say it. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the first pet, it's going to be this one. So this one is a pig. Most people have it, but you know, it's kind of new to me. It has rust and it is scratched a bit. Oh, let it focus. Focus, please. Come on, focus. Thank you. Okay, so this is the first one, as I said. It has a spot on its eye, a spot in its ear, and another spot in its ear, and it has one pink hoof on one side and the other one on the other side. It's kind of dirty because I got it from my friend, but it's okay. It used to be a lot dirtier, but I took care of it, and I just love this pig. On to the next one. The next one is going to be this one. So this one is a tabby cat. I think that's what her name is. And I showed you this LPS in my first video. No, I didn't. I was planning to do it, but it wouldn't upload. But yeah, so here it is. It's a tabby cat, and I don't want to say if she's in the series or not. But yeah, I absolutely love her. She kind of has spots, but you know, that's okay. I love her green eyes. These are awesome. On to the next pet. The next pet is going to be this one. This one is actually larger than the other ones. It's that big. It's actually larger than the other ones. And the skirt, I've tried to put it on other LPS. It's just so big. This one, it's like an adult LPS compared to this cat. It's much bigger. And it's similar to another one of my LPS, but yeah, this one is kind of big, and I love the bobblehead. It's so awesome. And yeah, this is the cat. The next pet is going to be this one. I have no idea which one this is. I think it's a bear because of the ears and the tail. The tail is kind of short, you know, kind of short. And I love the big purple eyes. They really pop out. They really show everything. And that is just great. Okay, guys. Sorry, I had to change positions. Anyways, here is the LPS. So, yeah. This is the bear. As I said, we're only going to be showing part of the LPS. And I'll do a second part because this is going to take long and I don't want to waste your time. And I'm so sorry that I haven't been uploading. It's just that the last video I wanted to upload, it didn't want to upload. It took forever, so I just canceled the upload. And yeah. But I think we're going to show 2 more pets and then we're going to stop because I don't want to waste your time. And I'll do a part 2. So let's keep on going. So this next one, I don't know if it's a tabby cat or a tiger. Tell me in the comments below. But this is my tiger or tabby cat. It has stripes and it looks like it's a tiger, but I don't know. I love the green eyes. They're just so awesome. And I love these old kind of LPS because they bobble better. But yeah, this is the tiger. And it has rust, but that's okay, you know. That's fine. And I love this part of the feet. So yeah, this is the cat / tiger. the last pet we're going to be showing for this part 1 is going to be this one. This is this is a bird. Her name is Hugsy Lovejoy. They actually call her that, and I've been knowing her name for a long time now because I think she was one of my first bird LPS. In fact, she's the only bird I have. And this is a little bit crazy, but you can take her head off, and I don't want to do that because that's just disturbing to me. But the bauble is really good on her. She has the LPS sign, which proves she is real. And I love the stripes on her belly. They're just so awesome. But yeah, this is the last pet for the video. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching my channel. Again, please remember to subscribe and leave a comment below saying #Random Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome, possums. Bye.